pot roast this week. What do you do with the leftovers? I know, there's never leftovers. You make a flatbread pizza in the Alpha oven. Saute some garlic, slice some red onion, slice up some mushrooms, slice a jalapeno. God, I sure hope I said that right. Get your flatbread. I'm using this. Olive oil, garlic that we just sauteed. Add the pot roast. Mushrooms, some red onion, jalapenos, salt and pepper, shred some mozzarella cheese. Cheese. Oven's at about 450. I'm gonna put it in. Entire cook, 4 minutes. Fresh parm. I'm gonna put some basil on it. You hear that? It's pizza, it says beer. But it's also pot roast, which says red wine. Are you kidding me? This is delicious. Cheers.